rebound. Kicks out. Sa gitna. Side step pass. Yes, sir! And bounce pass. Inside pass. Tic-tac-toe pass. And the fire. Bucket for 2. Long pass. Recover. Stops. Inside pass. A hollow pass. A lob pass. And the finish. Pass. Number 5 will attack. And the fire. Bucket for 2. Binawian agad. And welcome to NBTC 2025 between Tumawini Isabela versus Bulacan. Bumpy fires off the window, Paris Blood. Pass, recover, stops, inside pass, the hollow pass, the lob pass, and the finish. Recover, and the pass, 3-on-3 ang laban. Binit bait, bucket for 2. Here's Team Bulacan for the backdoor inbound. Bounce pass, the fire, oh, sinausaw. Taking the ball, the high pass to the middle. Bounce pass inside. And pass pinabitin. Rebound. Kicks out. Sa gitna. Side step pass. Yes, sir! And bounce pass. Sa gitna. And the pass to the middle. And stolen. And the pass. Hindi pinabalik. Yes, sir. Gandang play nun. And here comes Team Bulacan. Corner pass. Open. Launches on 3. Won't go. Rebound pa rin para sa Team Bulacan. And pass to the baseline. Attack. Lace off the window. Yes, sir. And here you go. Team Tumawini. Pass to the middle. Will bump. Lost the handle. Recover. Attacks, bounce pass inside, fire off the window, yes sir! And bounce pass, inside pass, tic-tac-toe pass, and the fire, bucket for 2. And 1 point lead for Isabela. And open fires at 3, bam! Bullseye! And now 2 point lead for Team Bulacan. And here's bump, drive, pump, and fire, tie game! And this Team Bulacan, corner. Inside pass. Will drive, will fire off the window. Oh, yes, sir. Gets it to go. And picks. Side step floater. Bucket for 2. Team Tumawini. And the pass. Number 5 will attack. And the fire. Bucket for 2. Binawian agad. And here's Team Bulacan. Atake. He kicks out. Corner, open, fires at 3. Bam! 3 point. And here's Team Bulacan, the high pass. The ball is stolen. And now an hurry. And the pass and the lace. Basket and 1. That's the end. Oh, and here you go. Team Bulacan. Sa gitna, will drive. Hook shot. Yes, sir! And here's Team Tumawini. Straight to the hoops. Minegos pa, tips in. Wala. Rebound putback. Ang lakas. And here's Team Bulacan. And the pass. Penetrates. Look. Nugget. Sa gitna. Open and fire. Bullseye. And the pass to the middle. And bump. Crosses over. Pinabitin, oh. No good. And fire off the window. Yes, sir. Stolen. High pass. And pull up jumper baseline. No good. Rebound and a putback. No good. Oh, nahabol pa niya yun. Team Tumawini Isabela. And number 26. Pass. Drives. Inside lace. No good. And here you go, Team Bulacan. Side step Rayuk. Kinuha lang. And 1-on-1. Side step bump and fire. Nugget. And kicks out. Pull up J. Nugget. Rebound pa rin Tumawini. Fires. Yes sir. Bucket. Or 2. Baroga. Attack. Bounce pass. Shake inside pass and fire off the window. Bucket. And the pass. Drives to the hoops. Rejected. And here is Team Tumawini Isabela. Number 22 is dribbling the ball, the high pass. Inside pass, the alley-oop pass, no good. And the fire, and the second chance, cleaning his own. And the pass. And recover. And side step, the floater short. Rebound, mapupunta pa rin sa Tumawini. Side step, Lace. Hook shot, yes sir. Bulacan. To the corner, pull up J. In and out. Hindi, kinuha sa likod. And here you go, Team Tumawini. Binitbit ang bola. Basket for two. Here you go. Team Tumawini Isabela. Basketball. He spins. Goes to the middle. No look pass inside. He fires. Basket and one. The second quarter. And the pass to the middle. One bounce. And a pass. And the fire. Nagid. Rebound. Put back of the window. Homani. And here's Team Bulacan. Stops. Sakit. Oh, nakagawan ng Team Tumawini. Isabela Lace for the lead. Up. Here's Team Bulacan. 24. Pass to number 7 to number 26. And number 6 will drive Lace. And again, Kings favor. And here's Team Bulacan. Will stop. The high pass to the middle. Open. Fires a 3. Bang! And here's Tumawini Isabela. End of X. Fakes. Attacks. Floater of the window. Money for 2. 5 minutes left on the game clock. Nakagawan dito ng Team Tumawini. And no look pass inside. Ipinalik. Oh! Up and under. What smooth. Rebound para sa Team Bulacan. The long pass. Resist by number 6 Lace. Basket for 2. 2-point lead. 47-45. 4 minutes 11 seconds. Number 8 to number 12 to number 31. Number 8. And pass is stolen for Team Bulacan. And now in hurry. Inside pass. Floater shot. Bullseye. 4 point. The pass. Wing side. And the pass back. Inside pass. Ang gandang no dribble play yun. Para sa Doctor inbound. And the pass. And the floater. Yes sir. Back dribble. And the pass. 2-on-1. Drive. Side step to the hoops. Oh! And the pass, Team Bulacan. And the pass, oop, they send, easy 2. Nice pass. Tumawini Isabela. And pass it to number 10. Goes to the screen. Side step. Lever slide up. Bucket for 2. And to the middle. Floater shot. Yes, sir. Gets it to go. And here is number 9. To the middle. Will bump. And recover. And the pass. Open look. He fires. Nugget. Rebound. Reverse slide up. Yes, sir. Gets it to go. Shot clock down to 12. The pass. The attacks. Lost the ball. Recover. Pull up jumper. Nugget. Rebound. Isabela. And the high pass. Will jump. Spins. Nakalusot. Oh! What a move! And here's Team Bulacan. Attacks sa gitna. Pinasa pa. And stolen. Ayaw na nilang mag-shoot. Drives. Fires. Basket and one. Oop. Open save. We are tied at 57. 8 minutes and 5 seconds on the game clock. And the pass. Here comes number 91. For Team Bulacan, inside pass floater for the lead, up by 2. Stepping back. Here is number 8 for Team Isabela. Tumawini. Di distansya. Goes to the middle, drives to the hoops of the glass. Tie game. 7 minutes 30 seconds here for the fourth quarter. And number 41 to the middle. Side step picks, clutch, pull up J, bullseye, tie game. 2-point lead for Team Bulacan. Number 8 for Team Isabela. Tumawini, posting up. Number 15, bump. Oh! May foul. Oh, na technical. Bounding. Here is number 8. And he's spinning. between the legs. Another behind the back. Another spin. Wow! Nice one! Good lead for Team Isabela. Bounce pass. Picks. Penetrates. Pinoy step. Kicks it out. He full launches on Ray. Bang! 3 points! 463. 1 point lead for Team Bulacan. And stops. And the pass crosses over. The bounce pass to the baseline. And stops. Pass to the middle. Will drive. Lost the handle. Is stolen. And the pass. And his Team Isabela drives. Pinasa. Pinabitin. Basket and 1. Up by 1. Here's Team Bulacan. Number 6 now. Dribbling the ball. Will attack. Will bump. Wing side. Corner. And inside pass. The drives. The lace. And now change favor again. And here you go. Team Bulacan spinning. And passes to number 18. Will spin. Kicks out. Open look, step back, goes to the baseline. Hook pass inside, fires, yes sir! Up by 1, change pen. And nakagawan ulit. Ito ng Team Bulacan. And easy bucket, 3-point lead for Team Bulacan. And his Team Isabela behind the back dribble. Penetrates, kicks it out, open and fires, short. Rebound Bulacan, the pass break. And straight to the hoops. Bucket for 2, 5-point lead for Bulacan. In Isabela, 67-72. To the middle. Stolen again. And the pass. Pinoy step pass, my foul. And 1. And his Team Isabela goes inside. The pass inside. Wala. And this Team Bulacan, tic-tac-toe pass, lace, yes sir! And stolen, and pinabitin, hang in the air, bucket for 2 down. And spins for Team Bulacan. And using the clock right now. 1 minute 40 seconds on the game clock. Inside pass, na libre, back to 9-point lead. Congratulations, Team Bulacan.